Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail account critical security alert. Guys, if you have this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and go for the manage your Google account. And now from here on the left side, just simply go for the security. And now from here, guys, just simply go for the review security activity over here. And guys, from here you should be able to see all of the activity into your account. So if you see something here that is not familiar with you, you could just simply select see an unfamiliar activity question mark and click this button, and from here you will have an option to change the password, and after that it will redirect you to log in into your account. And after that, just simply log in into your account, and after that just simply provide the new password into your account, and from there just simply change your password in order for you to prevent this issue from popping up. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.